mga kaigsunan nato sa Mulo-Mulo. Sobrang dami ng ating attendance ngayon, mahigit 3,000 kayo. And the presence of our video mayor is really appreciating to all of us because andito talaga si mayor natin. No? Makikita ni mayor kung ano tayo kadami dito ngayon. Okay? Picture mo na picture. Mayor, requesting mayor for our picture taking for the third runner-up. So sa si mayor sa iya. Grabe, ang sobrang dami. Ang sobrang dami natin ngayon, no? Puno-puno ang kondisyon natin. Okay? And also, thank you so much for the presence of our mayor. Grabe. Ang sapatos, mayor. Dapat na sapatos. Okay, so the 3 MC Warriors, our second runner-up, 3 MC Warriors. Okay, the 3 MC Warriors. Ito.
Ano, tol?
3 MC Warriors. Congratulations to the 3 MC Warriors. Disenyo, dito sa inyong basura, disenyo. Okay, thank you so much.
Kailangan!
Before we will start our championship game, we will give inspirational messages, no? Especially our Honorable Mayor, no? Ganito tayo. Our Vice Mayor ng Tibangki Galagan, Mr. Duque, for having 3 points for this our second and third runner-up game. Okay? So at this moment, we will give to our Honorable Mayor Bernie Valencia for his inspirational message to all of us, especially ang sobrang dami natin ngayon. Now, thank you so much. Ang inyo na po sila Mayor, kabuang naghatag og kalipay sa atong padula with the leadership of our local Chief Executive, Mayor Bernie Valencia. Alam mo mag-cross to our video Mayor, Engineer Bernie Valencia.
Grabe katagan, overwhelming na ang atong championship game sa commercial. It is participated by team from Northern City, from Totem City and Sun, and one team here in Mulo-Mulo. Totem here in Mulo-Mulo. Disenyo, of course. Our partner, Portland, Sir Brian, thank you for the initiative and ang effort ito. That's why
Ramos Mayor. That's our mayor, our really supporting mayor of our municipality of Molomolong. If there is season 3, abangan natin ang season 3. Season 3 of Port Hub and Divisional Basketball League in partnership with our video mayor, Engineer Brady Palencia. And now, ladies and gentlemen, as we witness our championship game between the BGP Club of General Santos City and the RMMC Glowings of General Santos City. Puro chinsan na kailangan namin championship na yun. So again, abangan natin and balik-balik ko na ko kabong mga kaigsunan nato sa Pulpulog, kamo ang naghatag og kalipay sa ato ang panula. Without you, without your support, without the support sa ato ang mayor, wala ka karong tingin. So that's why, a round of applause to the people of Pulpulog. Palakpakan nato. Okay. Ulu Kapiye. Request from our video mayor. Upward. Dilit na ang player kay ang player. Tukasyon na yun. Sampo lang. Kisay gusto. Sampo. Ayun, ano rin din. Sampo lang. That's from our... Tama na. Stop siya. Okay? Stop siya.
Hindi nasok.
From our honorable mayor, Engineer Brady Palencia. 1,000 pesos! Upgrading na tayo! Wow! Marami! Tundo na to! Ang bakasyon! Mayroong 1,000 pesos pag-uling sa balay. Pasalamatan pa yun sa asawa. Okay! Isay, sino ang papalarin sa ating 1,000? Isang shoot, 1,000. Hoy! Kurang magnaglabay yung lahat. Noon sa manto, kurang may kasuko. Okay? Another? Stop muna. Wala ko na magdagdag. Okay? Another 1,000 pesos. Ang nakaliha. From Port Hub Committee. Okay, another 1,000 pesos. Kung kinsa ang papalarin, ayun, wala. Okay, another 1,000 pesos. Ayan, ganito tayo kasaya. Uy, gani. From Sirway also. From Sirway also.
Patay ka.
Hala, bakit na? From Kulumulong, Mr. Ato. Okay.
Si Dil.
Hala,
Wala.
duting na. Another one. Sus, bakit na yun? Huwag yun siguro yung makanawa na ni. Okay. Kulang kamay. Kulang sa taon. Another one. Balikan.
Kulang ka balik.
Sige. Okay. Sige tara. Okay. Kanina nga match. Next match ka na lang para fair. Okay, another 1,000. Sus, wala yun. Huwag ka siguro yung gusto mo receive 1,000 pesos. Another 1,000. Hala! Sus, kapit na. Another 1,000. More than agree. Kapit na yun. Another 1,000. Okay? Again, thank you so much sa atong halandog mayor, Engineer Brady Palencia. Wala. Parang ayaw yun ng 1,000 na. Kasi murag isulat na yun. Hala! Kunting na. Okay kayo. Gamay na lang yung kulang. Sus!